This is our floor-standing lithium energy storage battery. It has 6,000 deep charge and discharge cycles life, high safety standard BMS software protection and strong housing, compatible with more than 30 inverter brands, with 5 years warranty. These two are for communication with the inverter. This one is for communication with the computer, monitoring BMS data, and these two are for parallel connection of batteries. Supports multiple batteries in parallel. The maximum parallel quantity is 15 PCS. RS-232 port for connection to computer to view and set the specifications of the BMS. Through the operation panel, we can view and set the parameters of the battery. That's all for our floor-standing lithium energy storage battery. We support OEM and ODM services. If you have any special requirements, feel free to reach out.